Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Recently you guys have seen me cooking and baking up a storm using the new Diamond non-stick foil. This non-stick foil is so versatile and it takes the hassle out of having to find a liner for your pans or your trays. The foil is very easy to use. When you take it out of the box, you're going to use it the matte side facing or touching your food. It's great for tahina, it's great for ham, it's great for pastels, pehmi, anything you need a fig leaf for, this is going to replace. And you know, it's really hard sometimes to find fig leaf, so using this new foil is the best decision ever. And when you do it this way, you're going to cut back on the amount of oil that you use, because when you bake it's much healthier. And you see, it does not stick to the foil. I even used the Hefty foil pan to bake my ham this year, and it was very strong and durable. Here I'm baking some lamb chops, and I lined the pan again with that same foil. So guys, this new Diamond non-stick foil is such a game changer. Make sure you pick it up and keep it in your pantry at all times. And also check out the Hefty range of products. So Diamond and Hefty should be your go-to for when you're cooking and baking and throughout the year. So thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.